In this week, we're going to talk about the job activity feed. The feed shows real-time execution data for your flows, helping it track what's running, what's failed, what is paused, and what needs attention. It's your go-to place for operational visibility and debugging. Where to find it? Once you log in, straight away, you're able to access this dashboard directly here. And there are a few statuses in the filtering, so we're going to walk you through that one right now. First up, it's all jobs. So it shows every job in the environment. Next up, we're going to show you terminated. Jobs that were manually stopped. Success. Jobs that completed successfully. You're able to see that with the status here. Partial errors. Jobs that ran but had some steps fail. Paused. Jobs paused by flow logic or external triggers. Processing. Jobs currently in progress. You can see again the status is set to processing. And finally, errors. This is where all the errors of the jobs that have failed with one or more errors. Now, each job helps you focus on a specific operational state, but we should also talk about the columns in the table and what they mean and how it helps you. So, first of all, you're in the environment, which over here you can see if it's production, it's going to be green. If it's going to be staging, it's going to be yellow. So color-coded icon. Next up is the flow name. So here you're going to find out what the name of the flow is that ran, and also link to that flow to go in it. Next up is started. This is when the job start date and time. And then following that, it's ended. This is where the jobs end, date, and time. And then we have status. As I mentioned before, these will tell you the current status, success, error, processing. Then we have resolved. Indicates if a failed job has been marked as resolved. We then have message. Summary or error message from the execution. And then you're able to see apps involved. All the app icons used during this job. Now, viewing the job details, you can click on it and you'll be able to find the full breakdown. Which steps succeeded, which failed. And you may even be able to look at the logs and mark it as resolved if needed. You can use this to investigate the failures, performance issues, or behavior of specific agents. The best practices: use the errors and partial errors tab to be able to give you priority in terms of what needs to be resolved. Investigate failed steps quickly to reduce business impact, and mark known/handled error as resolved to maintain a clean view. So you're able to go directly into these errors. And if you're able to resolve it, you consider it as resolving. Now you can see it's ended up in that. You can also do set for unresolved as well.